exactly what I wanted to be doing, but this is what we're doing today. Guy accidentally rolled our backhoe on its lid, so we're here to recover it. I called Mike from Big Red Crane. He came out here, and the power lines, it was too far of a lift for him.
Oh, really?
With the power lines. And then he called, I think Smitty's or somebody out of Santa Barbara that has a wrecker, and he wanted 10 grand just to come up here and start.
Oh my God.
So I go, well, looks like we need to mount a posse. So I called I called Justin from Milpas Rental, my buddy Eric, that's a professional operator. Hey, I'm
really sorry, I mean,
we've had a good relationship, Dana. You've always been good to us in the past. You're not over here being a jerk saying, it's your fault or the backhoe needs tires. Or you'd be surprised at the crap people come up with, how it's my fault.
He's got a mess on his hands, that's for sure. Shouldn't be too bad. Maybe safer, I'm not sure, but it'll come over. It's not that big a deal. As long as he doesn't dig himself another hole.
Happens.
No, I don't think it's slammed. I think it just lays down.
I think it'll be fine too because it's on a slope.
Yeah.
So keep going.
You think it'll go over?
We could
want to hold it and rehook it. He needs to reposition the chain. So I'm trying to get the winch out to put a snatch block on that tree so it'll hold the machine up while he repositions to get the second pull on it. We're a little short. I'm worried about the chain snapping, bro, and it doing another flop. My goal was to get the snatch block off of this tree.
Right.
And hold on to it so that you could re-grab it from another, maybe the front bucket now. If I grab it from here and you grab the front bucket, we'll bring it down safely. Right now,
if you get up there and feel it, if you move it just a couple inches and feel it, it's like right at that balance tipping point right now.
You think it's gonna go over?
Like I said, get up there and pull it like 2 or 3 inches, and you'll feel the machine wants to come my way more than it wants to go that way.
You're the one that's been feeling it. Give it another chance.
I thought the tow truck could get over here. Yeah, you can't get the outriggers out without the engine going, can you?
No. He's choked the access. See, I would have left some access here somehow. Somehow to get over here.
Oh, really?
But she's on her wheels now. That's good news. I am gonna take some of those rocks out by the front tire over there and kind of make it roll over, so when the backhoe pulls up, it just wants to just drive up the hill rather than those rocks potentially crushing the fuel tank and causing a fuel spill.
I highly doubt the backhoe's gonna run. I want to jump on it and fire it up, but when he rolled it, he didn't shut the motor off, so when it ran upside down, the oil went into the cylinders is what I'm fearing. And it's like hydrolock. The piston's trying to come up, but there's oil in there, so it could break a connecting rod. And like ruin the motor right now. So what do? It's not gonna get out of here unless we start it or like maybe put it in neutral. I don't know. Try to drag it out of here. Pull it out of here and take it straight to John Deere, take the injectors out, and then crank it over without the injectors in there, so that way we don't break a connecting rod. I think that's probably the best thing to do right now. There, pull the front end down give it 3 more feet, I'm just gonna fire it up. I was thinking about it. If it's got oil in the cylinders, it's already grenaded. You know, he's already grenaded it. If it's in there,
that thing's shut down just like normal. It should close all the valves and the oil is sat at the side of the crankcase. Now it
depends on where the cam was.
Give it the time, exactly.
Well, like you said, then it's on you.
It's already no. They signed the rental contract, bro. The motor's grenaded. The motor's grenaded.
Give it a shot.
Did you hear that? Well, we got it up. The thing to do is get it into a safe spot. And we need to pull the injectors out. Hopefully the connecting rod's not broken. It's hydro-locked. The engine's hydro-locked. There's oil inside the combustion chamber, just like I thought. And we got to take the injectors out. But before that, we got to get it to a safe spot. So let's go make another game plan with Eric. Let's dig another hole to get the backhoe down in there. And we'll pull it over into a safer spot. And release the axles like Justin was saying, or just call Coastline and have them come up here and take the injectors out and get this thing to fire up.
Okay, let me hop off here and take a look around the front of it. I haven't seen the other side of this thing yet.
All right.
You want to dig any of this dirt out right here by the tire and make it softer right there? Like fill that in with it maybe? Let's get down in here first.
That might help right there.
These guys, Josh, their house burnt down in the Thomas fire. We've been here trying to over-X and get permits and build this back up, dealing with the wonderful neighbors, and we just want to get poor Dana a house built, for crying out loud. Can we just get Dana back in his house, please? We got backhoes rolling over. We're gonna get there, guys.
We're off to a good start.
Look, you got Greg on your side helping you. I promise you, we'll get your house built. I'm here to help. Hey, Mr. George. Mr. George, where do you find this guy? I think you pay him too much, Mr. George. If I was on the backhoe right now, Eric, you're gonna be mad. My road wouldn't look half as pretty as yours, but we'd already have the flip backhoe on the flats, brakes released, and pulling it up the hill right now. But Eric's making like such a glorious, gregarious road right now. Like that thing is beautiful, okay? But like Justin said, I don't think he wants to have the next backhoe on its lid. So whatever. There's the right way, the wrong way, and Greg's way. Don't forget it. I only have like 60 more payments on this thing. So we got to get it back running immediately, because if it's not making money, I'm losing money. If we kept pulling, I'm worried about this back tire falling into that hole. We want to get that back tire needs to go straight out of this place, not down into there. You guys, we got it done safely. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned to the next one. Check out our videos, like, subscribe. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Justin, Milpas Rental. Thank you, Coastline Equipment, Oxnard. They're gonna make this thing brand new. Subscribe to our videos and watch the next one. We're out of here. And spotters and whatever else we could have done. Slow down. We could have had a spotter. There's,
Number of things.
Things a guy could have done better. So.
And don't be in a hurry when it's raining.
That's
Go
right.
home.
Don't be in a hurry when it's raining. Just go home. That's why they have rain days. This is why they have rain days right there.